Everyone gets fascinated by the mountains. Ever wonder why? Why we get awe about the wavy creations touching the sky? Life is just like mountains, full of ups and downs. Sometimes bright, like the snow-clad peaks, but at times dark, like the deepest trenches. Darkness, failures, problems. Some choose to hide, while others choose to ride. A rider seeks to discover places far away, but the journey makes him discover who he is with it. Makes you love the view when you see everything as well as when you see nothing. The ride teaches you to laugh at your failures, to smile at your problems, to save your speed and energy in twists and turns, to hold your balance when the flow gets slippery, to pull over for a break and take in the view, to prepare yourself to prevent a breakdown, to fix your own puncture, and finally, when the time is right, to lose yourself, let go, full throttle. Ride teaches you that boundaries are not where countries are divided, but where their cultures get united. That the language is not a barrier, neither to ask nor to give directions. That it is the road that makes strangers into companions. That to reach the highest peaks, you have to take the toughest roads. That when the road gets tougher, not to exhaust your gas, but to clutch yourself and change gears. Riding makes you old enough to plan your ride at the same time, bold enough to take a diversion. Life's not a race where you overtake everyone and go. We all have the same destination. And no one, believe me, no one wants to reach there first or fast. Life's a ride where you go together with your companions, fixing the issues as you face, facing the problems as a team. So don't you fear, just change the gear. Don't you hide, just go on and ride.